Guys, so this is the 24 karat gold SMC Laguna. You may have seen this plenty of other places. You may have seen, did Mark Wilson make a video of it?
I don't remember.
Well, he had this fan originally, and then he sold it to Metal Pete. Metal Pete made a video of it. He traded it to me. I made a video of testing the capacitor in it, and because the current draw seemed low, but we tested the capacitor, and the capacitor was actually fine. So now this is my video of it. And it's set to low on the solid state. Excuse me. So we're going to start it off there, 0.26. You adjusted the low speed trim on this?
Yes, I did.
Nice job.
In fact, I even did a video on it.
Good thing. And did you have to open the switch housing, or did you use the little hole on the side?
There's that little hole on the side.
Sometimes it doesn't line up with the little hole, which is interesting.
Actually, this one did, if you look at
I did look. It did. I just was curious.
But
go ahead and adjust the control whenever you're ready.
Yeah, I did make it so that it starts on low.
Yep.
With the test rig. That's why it's this low.
0.31 is where it's at now. By the way, this is continuation of the Metal Pete birthday celebration.
Oh, yeah.
So, happy birthday. When I used to do lighting for theater, one of the theater groups that I used to work for had a birthday song that went like this. Happy birthday, happy birthday, gloom, misery, and despair, people dying everywhere, happy birthday, happy birthday, 1 year closer to death. And everybody, go ahead.
Sounds like the death clock song. RSVP for the death of...
He does a really good metal voice. I mean, he should. He's Metal Pete. I'm just saying. He's got the metal voice down.
Many years ago to this day, something grew inside of your mother. That thing was you.
0.36.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody sent me a link for that song.
Yeah. Was that Mark?
Welker.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we're at 0.36.
Yeah, he knows.
0.4. Are you doing eighths or quarters, or what are you doing?
I'm eighths.
Okay. I usually do quarters on the fan controls, but you do whatever you like. It's your birthday. 0.43. I already bought him barbecue, so he's indebted to me until my birthday. Then on my birthday, he has the option to be even.
Okay.
0.53.
That's high.
High is 0.63 with the solid state, but you know, it's the solid state that's in the fan.
Showing that it's a variable speed.
Yep. Did we do an airflow test?
No, we did not. Not on this one.
We're up to 50 degrees, by the way, which is pretty warm up here when you consider that it's... I just knocked the light over, so that was smart. Can you turn this off? No.
Oh, yeah. Feeling a good breeze right here.
I'm not getting as much over here. Are you putting it, saying spinner motor hunter category or KBZ5 category?
Still in the spinner hunter.
Yeah, then I'm getting the same thing you're getting.
But it's something you definitely feel.
Oh, no, it's not a... The one that I tested that didn't have a switch housing, that drew like 1.2 amps, that one was into the KBZ5 category, I believe. So it's interesting. You'd think they'd have the same motor even with or without the switch housing, but apparently the motor in this isn't quite as strong.
Yeah, but it's close to...
Okay, so if you want to pull the pull chain, this has got a reverse pull chain, so it's...
So reverse,
yep.
And then turn it back down to low.
So, basically, if you're using the fan from the pull chain, you would be high, reverse, off.
Yep.
You know, which is not the greatest when you consider, that you have to cycle through reverse in order to operate the fan.
Yeah, and that's one of the reasons why I'm giving this one up. You
don't like that?
Not exactly. It's not.
I think it's a cool gimmick. It's cool for collectors, but it's just not super useful.
No, it's not, because
I guarantee a lot of people bought these fans and installed them and had them running on reverse when they didn't realize it,
Sure.
Or they thought reverse was low or something like that,
Yeah.
I guarantee a lot of people did not realize how to operate their fans. Or especially if they moved into a house and then just tried to turn it, click, 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 why is it not working?
Yeah. Expect a 3-speed pull chain.
Yeah, or even a 2... I mean, depending on what era you grew up in, you might... Well, because 3-speed came before 2-speed, so you're right. The antiques were all 3-speed.
Oh, yeah.
And then 2-speed happened in the 70s, I guess, when R&M bought Hunter. Yeah. So low reverse, 0.39. It's real buzzy in reverse for some reason. The reverse coil must be the coil that's got the buzz.
Yeah. 0.9, you say?
Yeah, now it's 0.4.
Oh, that's... What was it on forward low?
It was 0.3 something.
Okay.
Like 0.36 or something.
It's kind of fast for a low.
Yeah.
Interesting.
I'd do quarter turns in reverse since we, you know.
Yeah, I am gonna do that.
0.46.
Where am I at?
0.5.
Now?
0.54. 0.79. 0.8. So when we do 0 to high, I would do 0 to high in reverse for this one. And because the reverse and the forward are so disparate, yeah, it definitely seems like it would move more air in reverse too.
Yeah.
Since reverse and forward are so disparate, I would like the first, like if it starts on 3 in forward, then I would check to see if it starts on 3 in reverse, and so on and so forth. You know, I would go back and forth. You know, since it's clearly different.
Oh yeah.
You know, there's 0.8 on high reverse, which is a whole tenth of an amp more than it does in forward. More than a tenth of it. What was it in forward high again?
It was like 0.61.
Oh, so almost a quarter of an amp.
Yeah.
Pull the pull chain twice again.
Okay, off.
Yeah, it was closer to 0.6. Wow. Okay, so I suppose it would be rude for me to not let Metal Feet do the test rig on his birthday. So do like, like if it starts somewhere between 1 and 5, then do 1 to 5 on both forward and reverse.
Okay.
I wonder if I can figure out how to put the scan view back together.
Yeah. 1, 2.
I'll wait.
4, 5. Okay, got it to start on 5.
Okay, so let's do 1 through 7.
0.25 is what it draws, so...
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, go up to 7, I'm saying. Do 1 through 7 on forward, then 1 through 7 on reverse.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Starts pretty consistently on 5, then.
Okay, yeah, that's what I remember doing. I did this one on the rig.
Yeah. 5 is 0.25.
Okay. 6 is 0.29.
Okay, 7.
7 is 0.33.
Okay, let's try to remember those. Take it back down, yeah. Okay.
0.33 on 7. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's going on 5.
Okay, so that's the same, but yeah, okay.
It's drawing 0.23 on 5.
What was it drawing on 5 and forward? Do you remember? Leave it there. Okay, it's 0.25 versus 0.23.
Yeah, that's the same.
Whoops, I forgot that's off. Okay, so 5 is consistent.
Okay, 6.
0.27.
Yep. 7 is 0.31.
So yeah, I'd be worried it would stall out on 5, so I would probably do this with like a 6, 8, 14. Let's see how it does as we go up the scale, but okay, so now we can, that was what I wanted to see.
Okay, 6, 8, 14 would.
Well, let's see. I mean, what does it do on 6? What does it do on 8? What does it do on 14? We only know 6.
Yeah,
So.
6, well, 0.33, and then here's 8. 0.37.
The one of these that's in the museum,
Yeah.
I had it in my bedroom when I was younger for a long time. I don't think I ever pointed that out before.
No. Okay, 0.37 on 8.
That was when I lived over on Badger Road, which is the same apartment that had the Terra / Zephyr / World's Fair in the living room, Lasco in the kitchen. You can keep going.
Okay. 9 with 0.41. 10.44.
I was going to think, it's people that have been collecting for a long time remember the pictures from that apartment, but that was before video.
0.47 on 12. 13 with 0.49. 14.51. Now if I hit high, let's see if there's a difference.
Quite a big difference, yeah.
So 6, 8, 14.
6, 8, 14 would do good. Oh, hey, Metal Pete.
Yeah.
Sorry, this is off topic. Somebody emailed me they have 5 of these they want to sell.
Okay.
You have any use for them, or know anybody that have any use for them?
I wonder if I want to add at least one of them.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about adding one.
Yeah. I mean, they're too cool to pass up, but I don't have any place for them right now. You know, if I wasn't testing fans up here, maybe I'd put one more down on this end, but, You know.
Yeah, but
okay, I don't want to interrupt the video, but I just want to mention it before I forgot.
Okay. 15 with 0.54, 16.56, 17.57, 18.58, 0.6, 20 with 0.61. Let's just hit high. It's like 0.65 right now.
Interesting that it went up a little bit, you know? Sometimes things draw more current as they heat up. Now it's up to 0.66. It's steady increasing. That's a new phenomenon.
Yeah.
Phenomena. Do. Is it gonna hit my head? No. Interesting. It was at like 0.61 before. Oh, here, you know what? Here. Oh, that does catch you off guard, doesn't it?
Yeah, sure.
So it starts out at point. Interesting. It has a lower starting current, and then as it gets up to speed, it draws more current. That happens sometimes. It's just not common.
Sure.
It could start out at 0.61, even just then. So, okay.
So 20, I'm not going over.
Okay. You want to go over 20, or you want to stop there?
I'll just see if I can find one.
I think you should see if you can find one.
0.66 on high.
Metal Pete jumped earlier when the fan reversed, and I made fun of him, but then I just jumped when the fan reversed, so I can't. I guess I have to take back my making fun of you. No, I don't. I make fun of Metal Pete all the time, anyways.
Okay, I'm right at the money, so... Okay, let's just see. 0.66. It's starting to creep.
Did it go over? What are you at there?
I'm at 37.
Wow. Okay. Take it to 238. Just see. Go all the way.
Max out.
And hit the high switch. So it's a little over, but it's not much.
Yeah, it's like it creeps.
Okay. Well, let's do a true. We haven't done a true 0 to high, have we? Let's do a true 0 to high, and then we're done with this one.
Yeah.
Lots more fans to do though, and this is going to be a fan all nighter. Looks like, but that's okay.
Yeah.
I can think of worse things to do with my time. Fan most of the nighter.
Yeah. Okay, 0 to high.
So it was 0.43 initially, then 0.61, then 0.64, and once it gets up to speed, it's like 0.66. So that's, you know, SMCs are backwards a lot of times, though. You have that one that no matter how you put it on the solid state, it goes fast.
Yeah.
I've tested ones like that before, too.
Where, like, I have the solid state set all the way down, just like this one, and it's still, when I flip the switch to solid state...
Yeah. Do you remember what it drew? Was
like
it more or less than high?
No, it was less than high.
Okay.
It's definitely less than high, it ran, like, at a medium-low.
Interesting.
Or kind of towards medium.
Yeah.
Basically is what it drew.
Yeah, I've had some that tested that were, I think, more than high when I did that. Like the solid state almost created a resonant frequency or something. I don't know.
Okay, it's now drawn 0.66.
0.66, and that is the high.
Yep. When it draw in high reverse, it was like...
0.8. You want to do 0 to high in reverse?
Sure.
Okay, turn it off. Reverse. The reason it jerks like that is because somebody did a double shekel. Which is, I mean, it's very creative. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a good idea.
It was just a test, just for hanging the test. Yeah, because I don't remember it coming with a grommet.
Probably didn't. Grommets get lost a lot.
Yeah.
So 0.47, then 0.7 something, and then 0.81. 0.77. Okay, he had quicker eyes than I did. So let's see what it draws when it gets up to speed. One of the blades is off balance, it's bent a little bit. It does not appear to be increasing the way it does in low, though. But it sure goes faster in reverse. Nope, it dropped down to 0.8. So it behaves differently. It's flopping, as Metal Pete would say. But it definitely behaves differently in reverse. That is curious. The one thing to remember about SMCs is even their good ones are cheaply made. They have a very loose quality control standards. Which is why a certain fan manufacturer that I'm affiliated with, I won't say who, won't use them as a factory. They have pitched to a certain fan manufacturer that shall remain nameless that offered to provide their fans, and the owner, CEO, presidents, etc. of that company both have said, if you will adhere to our quality control standards, we will use you. And they've said, no, we're just going to keep making stuff to the loose quality control standards that we make, and we turn it out cheap that way, and we're happy. So, but it doesn't stop some of them. They're good fans. They're cheaply made. If such a thing were possible. Okay, well, we've seen enough of this one, so we got at least a few other fans to do tonight. See. There's the 2 6-bladers. Is there anything else? Is just the 2 6-bladers left?
Yeah, but that Homestead, that one.
Homestead and the GE Vent 6-blader. And is there anything else we were going to do tonight, or just those 2?
I can't remember.
Only other thing would be if you want to dig out the Ritz.
Oh yeah.
Let me get in here and stop the camera.
Oh yeah.
Because we've been talking for a while.
Yeah, we sure have.
Yeah. Well. Sometimes I run my mouth, and sometimes Metal Pete runs his mouth. But it's my YouTube, so I can do that. He should shut up. Thanks for watching.